All right,
Don't worry,
leaving.
I got you covered.
Sure. All right, I'm leaving. Bye.
This is gonna be fun. I don't know where to start. I feel like I should start with foundation. Is this foundation? This is seriously overwhelming.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So James has just selected all of the makeup that I can use to create a makeup look, and it's actually in a box right over here. Like, I haven't even peeked in. So I am super curious to see what he selected, if he was like rude or if he picked out good stuff, because I really gave him no direction. I was like, go in the beauty studio and just like pick out an assortment for me to do my makeup. I'm gonna challenge myself and only use what you picked out for me. So I really have no idea what direction this is going in, but you know what? We're gonna take off. Oh Lord. Oh my God, beauty is pain. All right, so I'm actually gonna remove my makeup. I just wanted to look really cute for my intro, basically. I liked my makeup today, and I'm hoping that I'm gonna like my makeup for tonight because I actually have company coming over, which is really stupid of me to be filming this right now. Why am I filming this right now? I have a lot of trust in my husband, that's for sure. She needs a self-tan. All right, so I think I got most of my makeup off aside from a few bits of very, very stubborn lash glue. And now I am really excited to dig in, oh my God, to this box right here. I really have not looked in this. Hey, he did pretty good. All right, the first thing I'm pulling out is some La Prairie powder. We have some ambient bronzer. Okay. He picked out my foundation, just the wrong shade, but that's cool. A beauty blender. Sweet. Really? Why is this here? James Westbrook. We all know how I feel about this palette. I thought this was one of the most overpriced items ever from Maybelline, but apparently we are gonna give it a second go. For reals? Did he seriously? He gave me bottom lashes. James. Is there a primer in here? Oh, there is. Professional. All right, let's just get started with a little Professional. I actually used to use this all the time, and then I found that the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Primer was just marginally a little bit better. Like, they both basically do the same thing, but so this is fine. So I need to dampen my beauty blender. Oh, he gave me primer spray too. I should probably use this also. I'm prime. I'm gonna go in with Laura Mercier in Cashew. Stamp this all over the face. This is just a little bit too light for me, you guys. Gosh dang it. Okay, so we have friends coming over tonight, and let me tell you, it's not my friends. It's James's friends. So I'm gonna look like a jackass. It's gonna be like, oh yes, this is my wife who does YouTube. She knows so much about beauty and makeup, and I'm gonna be like, hi. Oh my gosh. This is the thing I hate about like really pale foundations too. I always get it in my hair. Like, I am considering lightening my hair just to avoid this issue, because right now my hair is really dark and it just looks so bad whenever I get it in my hairline. All right, awesome. I have my foundation on that is too light for me. He gave me two concealers that are both really light. I don't know if he's trying to tell me to like quit the tan or to use lighter foundation, because I get so many comments that are like, your foundation is too dark, and sometimes it is, like sometimes it is. But do we see the problem? Look at my arms. It does not match my face. See? This is an old favorite. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind, and this is in Neutralizer. All right, this is like such a good concealer, but I definitely need to throw that one away and get a different one, new one, because this is old. Yes, I forgot how much that really freaking just cancels you out. Oh my God, I love it. Okay, so now he gave me two powders. He gave me like two of a lot of things. I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. I'm gonna use the La Prairie because why not? I'm gonna go underneath the eye as I normally would. Shoot, if I use this and start loving it again, I'm gonna be mad at myself because I have like weaned myself off of expensive powders and I'm so all about the Coty Airspun that I don't wanna like this. It's $100. Like I stopped using these powders for a while because I just didn't want you guys to see in the description box like all of this crazy expensive makeup and for you guys to feel like that's what you needed to buy to look good because you absolutely don't. Ooh, that is a good powder. That just like made my under eye circles, like forget the fact that I'm too light right now, but like, shh, right? So good. Okay, so now I don't have brushes. This is turning into the no brush makeup challenge. So I'm gonna take some of this Cover FX highlighter that I probably should have put on before the powder, but we're just gonna like roll with it and pray for the very, very best. Do you guys see that though? That is a good highlight when you can put it on top of a powder and not have it crinkle up or ruin your foundation. Like, dang, that's a good liquid highlight. Ooh, you know what we need? We need like some shoulder action. I just love a good glow on the body. It just makes me feel so good. Okay, now that I rubbed my under eye area, I screwed up the foundation big time. Why would you do that, Tati? I got too cocky with being like, this is such a good liquid highlight. La 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 la. I'm getting, I have, this is not a no brush challenge. I have to have some brushes. We need some bronzer, and this bronzer I actually really love. This is the Radiant Bronze Light. I just cleaned out my bronzer drawer, so really, he couldn't pick out a bad one if he tried. I'm gonna go a little hard with the bronzer just to try and match my body. All right, so this bronzer right now is it's a little dark for me. It's not one that I reach for unless I have more of a tan going on, and it looks especially harsh up against my very pale foundation. So now we're gonna go in with a red lip liner. It's old. Ooh, Tati seriously needs to do like a clean out. Oh my God, I'm a makeup hoarder. I admit it, I have problems. Oh my God, this is going on like absolute poo-poo. Poop. Wow, I don't think my lip liner has ever looked this bad. Bye-bye. James, this does not match. Oh, haven't I taught you anything? That does not match. This is the Rouge Couture in 213. Oh my gosh, I cannot work with my lip shape without a good lip liner using darker shades. This looks a mess, a total mess. This color is really pretty though. Like, isn't this a very, very beautiful, fun color? But my lip line, not the greatest. All right, so we also I have my Gigi Hadid palette and some brow products. I have the Sculpt and Glow. Ooh, okay, let's contour just a tiny bit. And I'm going to take the powder portion right here. Very slightly and lightly, I'm going to just bring a little shape to the face. Why do I always think that I can like totally slay these challenges and then I get going and I'm just like, nope, This contour is actually really nice. It's just so expensive for the whole kit. That's the only disappointing thing about these Natasha Denona larger kits, whether it's the blush kit or something like this. It's just so expensive and I end up not liking all of the pans. So it ends up just not being worth it. I'm gonna take the highlight that's in here and just highlight my nose. Oh, we have blush. Oh, this is actually a really good one. Good job, James. I really love this palette. This is from Tarte, and this is the Blush Bazaar. These blushes stay on beautifully. All right, cool. Okay, we need to put on some brows. This is not my go-to, so this is gonna kind of throw me for a second. I normally like a very skinny tip for filling in my brows. What shade is this? Oh, it's medium brown. That's not bad. You guys, I surprisingly don't hate this, and I never use this style of a brow product. I'm actually pretty impressed. I'm tempted to go through with this one. I'm just gonna stop while I'm ahead though. That's actually not terrible. I kind of like the color and I like how it was filled in. Like I kind of dig that. I keep avoiding going into this palette. Let's see here. Let's take a crease brush. I'm gonna go into the brown shade. These are just so effing dusty. Oh my gosh. I just like knocked off the excess right there. Do you see that? I'm not even re-dipping. We're just going from like eye to eye. I'm just really curious what look my husband had in mind with this bright lip. I just don't know. I don't know. We're gonna go into the Natasha Denona Holiday Palette. I'm going to this shade right here first with my fingertip, and I'm just going to pack this on the lid. I love this color. It always looks so ugly on me though. All right, I'm gonna take the more champagne shade closer to my tear duct. Yeah, that's more my speed. He gave me a purple eyeliner. I don't really know what I'm supposed to do with this, but we're going for it. We're doing a really special look, and let's just rock this purple liner. Oh my gosh, this is like a Lakers inspired eye look with the gold and purple. You guys, I don't have much more to work with. I have some Lash Paradise waterproof. James, why? I can't stand waterproof mascara. What are you doing?
I saw that you called me 15 minutes ago.
Come here. I want you to appreciate all the makeup you selected for me on my face.
Did I do a good job?
What do you think?
Looks pretty.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, not transfer proof.
Mm-mm.
It's really hard. I got stuck forever trying to find mascara.
I just want to know, how did you envision this look? Like, is this actually what you thought in your head?
Actually what I was thinking was I went through each thing and I wanted to get something good.
Okay.
Of each thing, and I wasn't really thinking about how it would go together, but I think you're making it work. Don't you do that.
Here, you selected it from the bad bin. Take it. Take it.
I don't want any more.
Take it. Take it. This is the completed look, guys. The only thing I had left to put on was lashes, which James so expertly picked out bottom lashes.
Oh, I can repick.
No, you can't.
No,
Those
I
are
can't.
bottom lashes.
I can repick.
Those are bottom lashes. These are, I've never used these in my life.
I was going for natural.
They like go down here.
Do you want some finishing spray?
In a moment. I don't know how on God's earth you do a lower lash, fake lash, and not just be so uncomfortable.
I don't think they're lower lashes.
They are.
I really don't think they are.
I think they are.
They don't say they are.
Or they're the world's smallest lashes ever. All right, you guys, so this was fun, just doing something different than a normal review, and you did a pretty good job.
Thank
I would
you.
say like 75% of the way you did great.
So I got a middle C.
Something like that. You didn't, my foundation doesn't match me. You got the wrong shade.
I got you Laura Mercier. That's the one you love.
But it's not the right
The
shade.
bottle's half empty. You use it all the
I
time.
mix it with other things. Anyway,
Of course you do.
You did. I know, because I use like 5 foundations. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. James did pretty okay, but I'm gonna go wash my face. That's the end of it. You probably should wash your face too, because I did that. All right, I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.